Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics, focusing on the fascinating technique known as Chinese stick multiplication. Modern arithmetic is highly efficient but often abstract. It relies on symbols, rote memorization, and stacked numbers that obscure the underlying logic. Ancient mathematicians, however, used a method that made the core logic of multiplication visible. This video compares modern algorithms to the Chinese stick method. While modern approaches are symbolic and vertical, the stick method is concrete, spatial, and uses visual node counting to represent magnitude. At its core, the method treats intersections as products. Each geometric intersection represents a single unit. For 4 times 3, we count the 12 resulting nodes. To scale this system, we introduce place value through spatial grouping. By leaving physical gaps between line clusters, we can represent tens, ones, and other magnitudes effectively. Different zones are defined by these intersections. We can identify the 1 zone, the 10 zone, and even the 100 zone, based on how the various sticks intersect. Because our system is base 10, we use a mechanism of spatial carrying. Any zone exceeding 9 intersections must, quote, spill over into the next spatial zone to the left. Here we see the resolution of a 2-digit matrix. By systematically counting nodes in each zone and carrying the excess, we arrive at the final product, 384. Scaling to 3-digit numbers creates 5 distinct zones. Despite the increased complexity, the underlying rules remain identical. We simply isolate and count from right to left. Mapping these lower magnitudes involves calculating the intersections for the 1s and 10s zones. In this specific example, no carrying is required for these initial steps. The hundreds nexus is the most complex zone. It combines multiple types of intersections, requiring us to count the native nodes and carry the excess to the 1000 zone. Continuing the sequence, we finalize the thousands and 10,000 zones. By adding the carried values, we reach our final product of 26,199. This method is not just a trick, it is a spatial visualization of polynomial distribution. The algebra beneath the sticks perfectly mirrors the distribution of values. Whether calculating 2 digits or 20, this geometric matrix effortlessly maps the distributive property of multiplication. Thank you for watching. This video demonstrates that to understand a complex system, sometimes we simply need to change the geometry of how we look at it.